This is my Travel AR app, which was made with Unity and Vuforia. When you open the app, you can focus the camera on a specific pin on the map, which will augment your display with my photos from my trip to that city. As you can see, the garbage men were on strike while I was in Sevilla. You can swipe through the photos, or you can click View Blog to be directed to my blog post from my visit to that city. When you move the camera to focus on a new pin, the UI will update to show photos from that city. The button will also update to link to the relevant blog post. These are photos from my trip to Madrid. Now I've moved the camera to point to my pin from Barcelona, so the app will update with photos from there. Here is my pin from Amsterdam, where I took a photo of the Café Remember because it reminded me of my late friend Ruben Matrani. And here are my photos from London, where I seemed to be very interested in the food and the drink while I was there. As I move over to the second map, the app quickly recognizes my pin from Venice and shows me photos from my trip there. The app can still be a bit buggy, so you can see here I'm trying to get the Venice pin in focus while the photos show up on top. Again, you can click View Blog to see my blog post from my trip to Venice, or you can resume looking at other pins on the map. Here are my pins from Budapest. And lastly, my pin from Athens, Greece. The application still has some room for improvement in terms of photo quality and stability, but in general, it's a wonderful way for me to share my travel stories with others.